Imagine your Python project starts small. Everything is in one file. Your login code, your database code, your calculations, and your user interface. At first, no problem. But then your project gets bigger, and suddenly you have thousands of lines in one file. Finding anything becomes painful. So what do Python developers do? They split the code into separate files. These files are called modules. For example, you could have one file for users, another for payments, and another for calculations. Now, your main program doesn't need to contain everything. It can simply use the code it needs from each module. This makes your project cleaner, easier to understand, and much easier to maintain. Think of it like organizing your room. Instead of throwing everything into one drawer, you give everything its own place. And here's the important part. A module isn't some special kind of Python magic. It's simply a Python file containing code that you can reuse. You've actually already used this idea when we built our password generator. Remember the line, import random? We'll explain exactly what that means and explore Python's built-in libraries in the next lesson.